All right, this is my buddy Conrad, and he's going to talk about his experience with Fisher traction.
Hi everyone, I found out about Fisher traction around like 6 months ago. I was looking for a way to help relieve my back and neck pain, and I've been using it for 6 months now. I grew up playing sports like lacrosse and basketball. I took a lot of hits just diving on the floor and getting hit with sticks, so I started trying this out, and it's honestly helped relieve a lot of pressure throughout my body.
Okay, why don't you show us how you put it on?
Yeah, so you gotta attach it to a door, and then you lean back, grab the blue part, and put it behind your neck. And then grab this leather and start kind of crouching forward so this expands. And then once you feel like you've gone far enough, you can release it. And just sit here for around 10-15 minutes, and you'll start to feel a difference.
Yeah, so what is it you're feeling right now?
So I can kind of feel it pulling apart my neck in a way of relieving some pressure I've built up over time. I do this every morning and every night, and it's honestly made a huge difference in my day-to-day, and I feel a lot better using it.
Do you feel any pain while you're using it?
I don't feel any pain while using it. I actually feel better while I'm using it, so it's really nice.
That's cool. Thank you.